Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find viral templates in CapCut. So if you wanna know what's trend or what's viral in CapCut and you want to use that templates as your video, you need to follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So first, open your CapCut and then go to templates button, and then here click on the search column at the top, and after that here you'll find trending, and here is the what's current on or what's viral in your area, or in your area as the CapCut template. So here I'm going to just click on the viral one. Okay, so just wait, and here you can see there are two option. There is a viral, the template files, and also the viral creator. So if you want to use this like this viral template, you can just choose on one of them. So I'm going to just choose on the top one here. Just click on the template, and here if you want to use this template, just click on use template and add your own photo or videos to the template. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can find a viral templates in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.